Hi everyone, I'm Raj, a React and a WordPress developer, passionate about building modern high-performance websites that don't just look good, but they work great too. Over the past few years, I have been combining the flexibility of the React.js with the power of the WordPress to create the seamless, dynamic, and content-driven web experiences. With React, I focus on building the fast, responsive user interfaces, components that feel smooth, interactive, and intuitive. On the WordPress side, I develop the custom themes, RESTful API integrations, and the headless CMS setups that makes content easy to manage while keeping the performance top-notch. What I enjoy the most about this role is bridging the design and the development, translating creative ideas into the functional, scalable solutions that deliver measurable results. I stay updated with the latest tools and best practices in the front-end performance, SEO, and accessibility, because a website should not only be beautiful but also user-friendly and discoverable. If you're looking for someone who can bring together modern JavaScript, frameworks, and the powerful CMS like WordPress to create digital experiences that stand out, I would love to collaborate. Thanks for watching the short introduction of mine. Thank you.